What's going on, everybody? It's Sean, your favorite pond guy, and I'm here with Zach, your favorite pond maintenance manager. And we are doing our winter peace of mind service where we go around and we check on our customers' ponds in the dead of winter. We're experiencing single-digit temperatures, guys, and the ponds are frozen. We're literally standing on the ice right now in the middle of this koi pond, and below our feet are a bunch of big, beautiful koi, and they're hibernating. So it's super important this time of year that either us or yourself go outside to your pond and make sure that your devices are maintaining a hole in the ice. We want to have that hole so the gases can exchange and those beautiful koi can hibernate safely. So when all this ice melts and spring is here, so are your fish. So go outside, take that extra 5-10 minutes, make sure everything's working properly. If there's any problems, something's frozen over, maybe the light in your de-icer's not on anymore, make sure you check that outlet, make sure it has not tripped. Hit that reset button if it does, and reset that GFI. Just ensure, guys, that everything is awesome for your pond so there's no issues springtime.